Did you know one simple soil mistake could be the reason your harvest keeps lagging? You're probably working hard in your garden, but somehow your plants just aren't growing as fast as you'd like. Totally get it. It's frustrating when you're putting in the effort, but not seeing the results. The good news is that there's a simple fix that can turn things around. In this video, I'm going to reveal the #1 soil mistake that's slowing down your harvest and give you one clear, actionable fix you can start this week. Soil compaction and poor structure are huge problems. When your soil is compacted, it chokes your roots, reduces water and nutrient uptake, and stalls plant growth. So, what causes this? Well, it could be heavy traffic in your garden, tilling wet soil, or a lack of organic matter. These things might seem harmless, but they can have a big impact on your soil's health. For instance, when you walk on or till your soil when it's wet, you're compressing those soil particles, making it hard for air and water to get through. And if you're not adding organic matter like compost or manure, your soil structure will suffer. You might be wondering how to spot this problem. It's actually pretty simple. Try pushing a screwdriver into your soil. If it goes in hard or barely at all, that's a sign of compaction. Or, dig a small hole and inspect the roots. If they're circling or not growing much, that's another sign. You can also check for water pooling on the surface or slow drainage. These are all indicators that your soil structure needs some work. So, how do you fix it? There are a few practical steps you can take. First, add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure. This will help break up compaction and allow air and water to penetrate. Second, stop working your soil when it's wet. This will prevent further compaction. And third, consider using cover crops or aeration to loosen up the soil. These fixes might seem small, but they can make a big difference. The core insight here is that improving soil structure and building organic matter is the game changer that frees up your roots and speeds up your harvests. Think about it. When your soil is healthy, your plants can grow strong and healthy too. I've seen it in my own garden, and I've seen it in many others. For example, one gardener I know was struggling with compacted soil and poor drainage. But after adding compost and cover crops, their soil was transformed, and their harvests increased dramatically. To recap, here's your 3-action plan. Identify compaction, stop damaging practices, and build organic matter and cover crops to restore structure. By making these small changes now, you can enjoy faster, bigger harvests. It's not too late to turn things around. If you're struggling with soil problems or you've had success with these fixes, I'd love to hear about it. Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical growing tips. Thanks for watching.